Cheese, I'm taking a video.
Oh.
Okay, this is Daddy's after Christmas present. Should he open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
This is not a present.
It's another present. It's a present inside the present.
A movie.
It's movies. It's movies and TV.
Open the movie.
This is Fire TV.
I open the movie. I open the movie.
Okay.
What movie do you need to watch?
Oh no.
What do you need to watch?
This one.
This one? You don't even know what it is.
A candy.
A candy? No, that's silly.
No.
Help me. Tickle me. Help me.
Why should I help you? You asked him to tickle you.
Thank you.
Is that a good present?
Mm-hmm.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Aiden, is that a good present?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing to me, child?
I vote on Daddy.
You need to bounce on Daddy?
No. No.
Tell Daddy Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Enjoy your present.
Tickle your present.
I love you.
I love you. I win.
Bye-bye.